Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Spotify, which surged in intraday trading. Taking a look at Spotify, currently priced at $190 per share. Today up 8.44%. Past year, up 43%. Past 5 years, up 14%. So it's been very volatile ever since it IPO'd. But the reason why it surged recently because it gained an exclusive licensing rights to a personality, Joe Rogan. Now taking a look at the fundamentals, currently market cap is $34.69 billion. P ratio doesn't exist because they're not profitable, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. It's going down a bit. As you can see, they got a deal with Joe Rogan, which is a $100 million deal. It's definitely a big win for this podcaster. And it's important because Joe Rogan is one of the most downloaded podcasts in the world, and that'll bring a lot of traffic to Spotify. And overall, it'll increase their usage, daily active users, and increase activity. Taking a look at Analyst Ratings, you can see that 61.5% give it a buy, 30% give it a hold, and 7.7% give it a sell. And in terms of earnings, it beat their Q1 2020 earnings. Now taking a look at the recent news. So you can see that the Spotify stock surged. Exclusive deal with Joe Rogan. It's a $100 million deal. And you can see that Joe Rogan tweeted the podcast is moving to Spotify starting on September 1st, which will be available on Spotify as well as all platforms. And then at the end of the year, it will move. Let's see what it says. Moves exclusively to Spotify. So yeah, this is very big news for both Spotify and Joe Rogan. Now taking a look at the financials, let's take a look at the statistics. So as I mentioned, forward PE is not available, or trailing PE, which is looking at the 12 past months, is not available. But forward PE is negative 486, which is really not good. Now in terms of stock price, 52-week change, up 37%. It's a very volatile stock. Trading volume, you can see here, held by insiders, 43%. Now taking a look at dividend, there's no dividend yield. Some financial highlights, profitability, profit margin is negative 0.61%. That's not good. Operating margin 0. Management effectiveness, that doesn't seem like they're too effective. Now income statement, quarterly revenue, growth year over year, 22%. That's good to see. Gross profit, 1.72 billion. Net income, not available. Balance sheet doesn't look too good either. Taking a look at the debt to equity ratio. So for every $1 equity they have, $31 is debt. So that's very, very high, and that's not something you want to see in a company. So overall, what are my thoughts on Spotify stock? I think this is a very good deal for Spotify. Hopefully it'll increase usage of the platform as well as bring more users to the platform. And it's good for Joe Rogan to see him get exclusive $100 million licensing deal with Spotify. Mutually, they'll both benefit, and hopefully Spotify will continue to do well long term. Currently, their financials don't look too good. Fundamentally, balance sheet doesn't look good. Income statement doesn't look good. But hopefully this will improve their financial statements. But for now, I'm not planning to buy or start a position anytime soon with Spotify, but it's good to see that they made such a good deal. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Spotify? Comment down below. Remember to use smart links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.